Have a question about a repair? Or a lot of questions? Our expert tech support team is here for you every step of the way on the MyAirbags community forum. Here's how to get the answers you need. Visit forum.myairbags.com. Post a question with as much detail as possible. Include the make and model of your defective part. Include pictures and videos to help our team get the full story. Whether you have questions about services we offer or if you need help troubleshooting along the way, our tech support team will respond within 24 to 48 hours. Also, on our community forum, you can see previous questions and answers, and the MyAirbags community can help you as well with the issues that you're having. If you need a repair and you don't see that part listed on our site, that's because usually it's not a common part to fail, or no one's asked to repair the part yet. At MyAirbags, we are constantly updating and adding to our list of repairs and services offered. If you don't see your repair listed, tell us about it on our community forum custom repair request section, and we'll work to make it happen. So join our previous customers and our expert team and be a part of the MyAirbags community today on the community forum.